So I just finished unboxing and testing the Vaclife 6-in-1 cordless vacuum cleaner, and I gotta tell you, I was pretty surprised with what this thing was able to suck up. It even beat my Dyson stick vacuum in a head-to-head. But before I show you that, let's talk about what was in the box. So inside the box, we've got the rechargeable battery and the cord. They even give you a wall hanger, so you can screw this to the wall, keep some of your accessories, and keep this nice and out of the way. Here is a brushed dusting tool, extra filter, they actually gave you 2 in the package, a crevice tool, and a cleaning tool, which has always come in handy with a stick vacuum like this. I've been used to using like a chopstick to get extra hair out of the canister, but to have a little cleaning tool like this, it's got a brush and a hook. I know, it's just a cleaning tool. It just brought me joy, so I hope it brings you joy too. And then we've got our user manual and instruction guides and things like that. There's actually a couple more parts here on the body of the vacuum itself. So first things first, this extension tube is actually adjustable. So it's not just one position and another position, but several positions. So depending on how tall or how short you are, you can get a perfect adjustment for your height with this, which I thought was really nice. It also came in handy to have that adjustment when I was vacuuming stairs too. So I didn't have to just have like dust buster level, you know, a dust buster size thing to do the stairs. That's, you know, you're crouched over, it's uncomfortable. And then taking a big stick vacuum on the stairs is like this weird, like kind of motion, and that's no fun either. But being able to get a little bit longer than dust buster size and much shorter than giant, it was perfect. It was perfect. So you're gonna like that too. So the extension handle also detaches from the body itself and detaches from the tool itself. And you can either put your accessories right on here directly, or you could do the extension and your accessories on here. And they're all quick release, it's very easy. The buttons are not too hard or difficult to depress, but they don't feel like they're gonna break after like a month, which I think is a good start. And then you can also take your carpet tool or floor tool and put that right on here like this, which gives you an even shorter vacuuming situation. So I really like this as well. This is gonna do wonders in my car. I just haven't quite gotten there with it yet. But it does stand up on its own. It's a real stand-up guy, which for all the stick vacuums that I've tested, it definitely doesn't. So when I first pulled it out of the box and I saw that there was this wall hanger, I was like, okay, it's gonna flop all around the inside of the closet like the Dyson does. But no, it stands up on its own. So we've just been like leaving it in the living room or next to the fridge, or, you know, just throwing it in the closet and not having to click it into this thing. I mean, it just stands up on its own. Even with the extension tube, it's there. That's, I know, another little thing that I keep talking about, but it brought me joy and it will bring you joy too. So here's a montage of me actually vacuuming with this vacuum.